Good morning, people. We're here in Mountain View Trailhead. We're gonna try that trail. Summer here, the easy one. Okay, Ruth, Ginger, let's go. Go na. Right here. Beautiful mountains. Nice weather today. 50s. Wow. Ginger, are you excited? It's been a while, Mommy. We don't hike, huh? I know. Oh, the wind is cold. Oh, look at Ginger. Are you tired now? You wanna break? You wanna treat? This is not fun. Somebody sprayed on the cactus. Wow. Crazy people. Come on. Ginger decided to go off trail. I don't know why. Look at, we're in the middle. Ginger, where are we going? Huh? Ginger Root. The mountain is there. So Ginger decided to go this way instead of that way. So we'll check it out, this side of the trail. So Ginger decided here. We'll see how far we're gonna hike. Look at, not blooming yet. Look where we at now, in the 7th Avenue Trailhead. That's, what you call that, Show Butte. Oh my God, Ginger Root. But we're gonna go back to our car anyway. Come here na, my love. I know you're tired. So let's gonna go back. Ginger, you like it here? Oh, she make her own trail today. So we're from there. We're gonna go, I think, I'm not sure. But we parked there somewhere. The airplane in the park. So we're back here on the trailhead. I think Ginger's tired. So this is a short hike for today. Ginger tired. Let's give her some treats. Oh, so bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you later.